Hi my loves, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want us to see what I got from Gikomba. I was mainly going there to buy blazers because it's a bit cold, and I realized since I gave birth, most of my blazers or most of my sweaters don't fit me. So I didn't find a lot because I think, market days sometimes they are good. You get in Gikomba, they are good market days. Then the other days that are very bad. And then I also got a lot of baby stuffs. Apparently, when you're mother, you just anything a baby you will buy very fast and even forget about yourself. So I'm just shooting this video the way I came from Gikomba. So the first piece. This is the first piece I got. Let me show you the details, you guys. This is a 50 bob piece. I'm in a black pants and a black top. Definitely the closer. I wanted to do a closer because they are blazers mainly. Guys, the thread quality. Yani, this is 50 bob. And let me tell you where I got this, or where you can get this in Gikomba very easily. Anyone who knows the clothes sections in Gikomba, if you know the clothes sections in Gikomba, just on your main entrance, like that is side ya kutoka na KAMUKUNJI, you go down kwa viti, then on the main entrance to that side, so you watch any side ya kutoka na sleeve. The baby section is around there. If you know there, that is where most of the cheapest things are in around Gikomba. That is dresses, tops, and blazers. I got this for 50 bob. 50 bob, yo guys. This is 50 shillings. Yeah, that was one blazer. I think I got like only 4 pieces. The other blazer I got for 50 shillings. Peep the thread. Guys, peep the color. Anyone who knows me knows I love color. And also it's a long one, not so long. Unfortunately, I was looking for also vintage, but I couldn't get today. It just seemed like it was not a vintage day. But guys, I was so happy with the little I got. Check this out, guys. Check this out. It's orange and the thread and all the buttons are intact. That's the funniest thing. And then it's not closable, but trust you me, I couldn't leave it. Never. Why? Yo, why should I? And I feel so good. And I feel like a rich auntie vibe in this blazer. So with this blazer, let me show you. I have this belt. This belt I got it from Kangemi for 50 bob. The belt, the blazer has orange and yellow and whitish lines and black. So let me show you how I'll be handling this jacket. So I like this. There's a scarf I got in Gikomba also that has these colors. Has colors that rhymed the blazer here and there. Don't know if you can see. So let me show you how I handle it. So that I show you the whole look. This scarf was 30 shillings, you guys. This was 30 bob. So I just roll the scarf. Since this kofia, I bought it as a plain fedora. There is a scarf as the detail. See? And voila. So imagine this is 50 bob, and then you can accessorize anyhow you like it. No? So that's like how I'll be pimping that blazer. This is the closest thing I got to vintage. But hold on. Check, peep the detail. I want you to peep the detail. And it's in there. hands. So this is the most expensive thing I got today. I got it for 150 bob because it was already selected, and the lady I got it from, it was already in the hanger. So the starting price was 200. I bargained to 150. So also I can't close it, but you know what, I couldn't. I love the hand detail, you guys. I really do. Honestly, I just do. So actually with this one now, I won't be wearing it using a trouser. I'll be wearing it on top of a peplum skirt. So guys, that's it. A skater skirt and a blazer. Peep the detail. So once they're ironed and washed, you're going to see more of me in them. So other than that, I also got this scarf, you guys. It's round, it's rounded. Yeah, you can. So this one you can style it with just basically anything, like you can wear to the office, you can. Then I love because, see? Yeah, when you go to the office, it's just so cold, you can have it that way. I feel like a billionaire's daughter, you guys. It's so cozy, and for only 30 shillings, this is the print that you get. Let me tell you a secret. Most of you don't know this. Most people always think that my clothes are very expensive or I spend a lot on clothes, but can you imagine? I bought I just spent what, 3 blazers for 50 bob, that is 150, plus one I'm wearing 150, that is 300, plus 2 scarves, 60 bob, 360, plus 1 white shirt I got for 100, that is around 560. That is the much I've spent in Gikomba today. And I went home with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Although 2 of them were scarves. All the other things were baby stuffs that I got for 40 bob a piece, and I spent 1,080 on 27 pieces for 40 shillings only. That is dresses, tights, stockings, you know. So let me tell you, the only secret you need to know with Gikomba, you have to be very, very patient when you're selecting items. Just sit down, chagua one by one, and that is what thrifting is all about. This is a grey long coat in Gikomba. Also goes very well with the hat I'm in today. As you can see, now the good thing, it doesn't close, but, and if I want it to close, it will close, but itaninyonga kidogo. So I also wouldn't be closing it. So as I was saying, when I was wearing this blazer, these two were on my mind. The blazer is grey. I'll do them with black pants, that cape, and that belt, and voila, you guys, see, you see the belt, the print belt, you see the cape belt, and the blazer. That is why I was buying this blazer. That is totally why I was buying this blazer, you guys. This is 50 bob. Like, that is how cool Gikomba is. This is 50 shillings. You got it? Shirt that I've been looking for a very long time. The last vlog I did in Gikomba, I said I went there to look for a shirt and I didn't find a shirt that fits me. And I've been looking for a white shirt for a very long time. The reason why I wanted a white shirt, or I want a white shirt, is because I really need to have a shirt that I can be wearing on weekends when I'm going out, and when I'm going to listen to amapiano on Sundays. Yeah, understand the vibe? I wish I could close all the way up and show maybe how I can be styling this. I don't have all the ideas yet, but when I was looking for a white shirt, I knew what I wanted to do with it. So it is white, yes, but I think I'll soak on Jik or take to a dry cleaner to ensure that I get like the pure form of white. But I'd like to show you how I'll be wearing this shirt. So I made, most of the time I will be doing it plainly without any other outfit, and if I do it with any other outfit, I'll be doing it with a biker short. But see why I like it. But now I don't think like I think after ironing, washing and ironing, I can think of other ways to handle the situation. But this was the main goal of why I wanted this white shirt. I'm going to be using them with such brooches or brush, depends on the pronunciation. And you know, I can use that. I can use this when I want to be less dramatic. So there's that and there's this. So I can be doing it with white pants or black trousers and a tiny belt and using brushes. Other than that, I have one dress I got from Mr. Price that has always needed a white shirt. This is it. Forgive my hair. Guys, I haven't gone to the salon since when? Like 2 days ago, since I did my hair. So that is also one of the very few reasons I was trying to get this white shirt, and definitely you'll be seeing me styling it other ways. Yeah, so that's all for today, my lovely people. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, tell me what kind of videos that you'd like to see me producing, and tell me what you think about all these haul. And you know what, you can always look good on a budget, and remember, don't look like your problems. Life is more than that. So please, if you have time, just go and thrift. Get yourself, take your time, get yourself something good and feel good about yourself. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Keep safe. Until next time, bye.